Hello and welcome. This is JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 16. Two metals P and Q of length L1 and L2 are heated through the same temperature difference. If the ratio of the linear expansivities of P to Q is 2:3 and the ratio of their length is 3:4, what is the ratio of increase in lengths of P to Q? A 5:7, B 2:1, C 1:2, D 7:5. So here you are looking at linear expansivity, and basically what you are looking at in linear expansivity is increase in length with increase in temperature. Now in this case you have two metals P and Q of these lengths. Okay, now the general formula for linear expansivity is alpha, linear expansivity, equal to L2 minus L1 all over L1 theta, where theta is the change in temperature. Now for this question you are looking for the ratio of increase in length. So let's just say increase in length. Okay, increase in length, and the increase in length is this L2 minus L1, also known as L2 minus L1 is the increase in length. So that is basically what you are asked to calculate. Now if you are to make it subject of formula here from this equation, it means cross multiplying this, that is L2 minus L1, which is that increase in length that you'll be looking for, equal to alpha L1 theta. Okay, so to find this, if you are given these values, that is what you would make use of. Now you are dealing with ratios of two metals here. Okay, so when you are considering two metals, you'll be considering the first one for metal P and the second for metal Q. So okay, so this is obviously for P and this for Q. Now it tells us that the temperature difference, change in temperature, is the same. So if they are of the same value, that means they will cancel out. Okay, so this is the formula you would be left with. Now we can insert our values. Okay, so the ratios of the linear expansivities, that is alpha is the linear expansivity. Okay, so the ratio of the linear expansivity is 2:3, and PQ, so 2 over 3 multiplied by the ratio of their lengths. Okay, so these are their lengths, that is 3/4. Okay, so that is equal to 6/12, and reducing this to the lowest term is 1/2. Now remember, what we are looking for, of course, is, or what we have been solving for, is the ratio of their increase in length, and we have 1/2, so that is 1:2. So 1:2 is option C. So 1:2 is the ratio of their increase in length. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.